Welcome back to Lesson 2. In Lesson 1 we learnt B major, and the two scales we're learning in this lesson are very similar in that your rabbit ears will be staying on the cluster of two black keys and Sooty and Sweep will be staying on the cluster of three black keys. The only notes that are different are those played by the thumbs playing at the same time. Here is B major from the last lesson. Look at the key signature, 5 sharps. We're calling the black keys C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. But in D flat major, we're going to call them by their other names: D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, and B flat. And this is what it looks like. Look at the key signature. Now 5 flats. Before we play this new scale, let me introduce a useful rule for piano playing. If you are sharp, keep to the left. If you want to be flat, swerve to the right. I'm talking about where the thumbs go. In B major, a sharp key, they go to the left onto B and E. In D flat major, a flat key, they go to the right onto C and F. And if you're watching this video from anywhere in the UK, Republic of Ireland, or any other country where people drive on the left, you can use this rule when remembering which side of the road to ride your bicycle. If you're sharp, you'll stick to the left. But if you want to be flat, swerve to the right. But if you're viewing this video from anywhere else where they drive on the other side of the road, just ignore that last bit of advice, please. Now to play D flat major. Here it is again. The rabbit ears go on the same starting notes as before, D flat and E flat. And Sooty and Sweep go on the 3 black keys. The only difference is that the white keys being played instead of B and E are now C and F. So the thumbs going on C and F. It starts with rabbit ears, D flat, E flat. Rabbit ears and Sooty and Sweep, and rabbit ears and Sooty and Sweep, and a single one of the rabbit ears, and back down, and Sooty and Sweep, and rabbit ears, and Sooty and Sweep, and rabbit ears, and again, rabbit ears on D flat, E flat, rabbit ears and Sooty and Sweep, and rabbit ears and Sooty and Sweep, and rabbit, and Sooty and Sweep, and rabbit ears and Sooty and Sweep, and rabbit ears. Well done. Now for F sharp major. The key signature has the following sharps: F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, and E sharp. 6 sharps. It uses F sharp and E sharp, and we call it E sharp rather than F natural because there's a rule that all scales have one instance of every letter of the alphabet. Now it could also be called G flat major with 6 flats. So it's equally sharp and flat. So our thumbs have to alternate, going left, then right, then left, then right again. Which is why it is helpful, I think, to call this a soldier scale. Left, right, on B and E sharp. This is what it looks like. Sooty and Sweep start on the 3 black keys. The rabbit ears go on the 2 black keys. The white keys being played by the thumbs are B and F. It is helpful to think of how soldiers march. Left, right, left, right. Left in that gap, right in the gap for E and F. Left in the BC gap, right in the EF gap. So the script starts with Sooty and Sweep, the 3 middle fingers on the 3 black keys. Sooty and Sweep. Thumbs to the left of the gap. Rabbit ears, black. Thumbs to the right. Sooty and Sweep. Thumbs to the left. Rabbit ears. Thumbs to the right. And a single note of Sooty at the top. And back down. Rabbit ears to the left. Sooty and Sweep to the right. Rabbit ears to the left. Sooty and Sweep. And again focusing on where the thumbs are going. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Congratulations on learning D-flat major and F-sharp major. As you'll see from the printable material, these scales are assessed at grade 4 or later, but they're actually rather easy to learn and play. In the next lesson, we'll learn a scale which features at grade 2, one you've already done hands separately at grade 1. See you then.